Have you ever noticed how some people jump from one relationship to the next, almost like they're afraid to stop? That's relationship hopping. It's not just about dating, it's about what we're running from and what we're trying to feel. We often skip the healing and reflection, moving from partner to partner without a pause. A new person can feel like a band-aid, a distraction, or a mirror reflecting the version of ourselves we want to see. You might notice patterns: can't stay single for long, feeling anxious when alone, chasing validation over depth. Breakups feel less like endings and more like a bridge to the next someone. So, why do we do it? Sometimes it's childhood wounds or fear of abandonment. We might be addicted to the high of being chosen, confusing connection with our identity. What happens is we lose the chance to meet ourselves, delaying healing and repeating the same lessons. Instead of growing roots, we keep changing soil. And that's where the real issue lies. To break the cycle, we need stillness, intentionally choosing space between relationships. It's about learning to sit with discomfort instead of running from it. Rebuild your identity and self-worth without romance as the anchor. Practice self-intimacy. Love yourself without abandoning who you are. Real love asks us to be whole, not searching for someone to complete us. If you've been relationship hopping, this isn't about shame. It's a moment of awareness. Take a breath, pause, and say, I deserve love built on truth, not escape.